Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Code by Mention. Today we are going to solve the question maximum points you can obtain from cards. Okay, so in this question we have given several cards arranged in a row and each card has an associated number of points. The points are given in the integer array card points. In one step, you can take one card from the beginning or from the end of the row. You have to take exactly k card. Your score is the sum of the points of the card you have taken. Given the integer array card point and the integer k, we have to return the maximum score you can obtain. Okay. So in this question, we have given the card point, which is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, and k is actually 3, right? So what are the different type of sum we can get? If k is equal to 3, we can get this. So this will be 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is actually how much? 1 plus 2 plus 3 is actually 6. Okay, or what I can get? I can get 1 plus 2 plus 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, so it will be 1 plus 2, 4. Okay, then what can I get? 1 plus 6 plus 1. So 1 plus 6 plus 1, which is actually coming out to be 8. And at the end, I can get this. So it will be 5 plus 6 plus 1, which is actually 5 plus 1 is 12. So as you can see, the maximum among them is actually this one. Okay, or the 12th one. So how we are going to find out which is the maximum or which is the least maximum? So this is really an easy question, and if you think it like a sliding window technique type of question, so this will be solved in a really efficient manner. Okay, so it will be very easy. So this is my array, or this is my number of element, and k is actually 3. K is actually 3. So I know that this will be n. The size will be n, and k minus 3 will be the size of my window. So k minus 3 will be the size of my window. So first my window will be like this, because it contains 4 elements. So when it contains this window, the sum will be 5 plus 6 plus 1, which is coming out to be 12. Then I will move my window. I will move it to like this. Then when it move like this, it will contain 1, 6 and 1. Okay, so 1, 6 and 1, the sum coming out to be is 8. And then I will move my window. And when I move my window, it will be 1 plus 2 plus 1, which is coming out to be 4. And at the end, when it is at the last index, it will give me answer 6. And then I will just make a counter like 12. That will give me the answer. So how I am going to do this? So in order to do this, I am going to find out the prefix sum. And what is a prefix sum? So basically prefix sum is actually like the summation of all the at particular index. But I can do this like this, like I will find out the sum of all the elements in this array. So it will be sum plus I. Sum plus I is equal to sum, where it will be auto I, right? Auto I in this array, the array. Okay, so auto I will write it like this. Okay, and then it will just do all the iterations for me. It will find out the sum for me. Okay, then what I am going to do, I am going to take my I at this point, I at this point, and j at 0. So I will move my j pointer. After I move my j pointer, I will stop when j minus I plus 1, which is actually the length of this window, is equal to the window size, and window size is actually n minus k. Okay, window size is n minus k. So I will move it till here, and when I move it till here, the total sum is actually, because the total sum is actually sum. Okay, and the sum that I want is this one. Okay, this one. And then how I am going to find it till here? Okay, I to j, I will find the sum of this, which can be x. So what I can say that my j is actually sum minus x. Okay, I will do it like this, and I will just check if my j is actually maximum or not by just taking a variable answer, and at each step I am just checking if my answer coming out to be is maximum or not. So this is the simple step. Okay, after I move my j, okay, after like when my j is like at here, like my j will be here, I will be here, but after this I will move to this point, j is also going to move from the next step, and when I is going to move from this step, so I need the sum to be added in the sum, because in the starting I just subtract all of them, right? I subtract this, but now I need my first index sum. Okay, because at the starting I left it, but now I need it. Okay, so that's why I just add it in the last. So this is the process how we are going to solve this question. Now let's move to the coding part. In the coding part, as I told you, I will just take I. This is the window size that I have explained, and answer is just a variable, and sum is actually a variable. Okay, so I will do like this. For auto int, for or int, I is like this. Okay, and I will just take out the sum. Okay, for auto sum, this is the find out all the element sum. Okay, after this what I'm going to do, I'm just going to check if my window size is valid or not. If it is not valid, then why I'm doing this, I'll just return the sum. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to increase my j pointer, and when my j pointer is actually I, this is j and I, and when it is actually equal to the window minus size, then this is the sum that I am telling about. Okay, and I will subtract it from card j point, because j will move to here, here. So I will, at each step I will just subtract it from the card j point. Okay, and at the end after this I am just going to check if it is equal to the window size or not. And if it is equal to the window size, I am just going to check out, because sum is actually the whole, and here I just find out and I subtracted all of this. So what I remained was this thing. So sum is actually right now this, and I will just take the maximum one, and at the end I have to return it like this. And what is this? This is actually sum plus equal to card point A. So if my I is pointing here, so after this I will just increase this to here. Okay, so because I subtracted it at this position, but now I need this. Okay, so that's why. So I hope you like the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more of my videos, and I explained the intuition part, algorithm part, as well as the coding part. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.